Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to share Instagram story and WhatsApp status. We start by opening Instagram and creating a new story. Once we have created our story, we publish it. Next, we enter the published story and click on Share On. Afterwards, we will click on the WhatsApp option, and after that, we will choose our status to publish it there. We will see that the link appears so that they can click on our status and go to our story. We will finish by pressing the button to publish our status. We will now have our Instagram story shared in the WhatsApp status. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.